How to do bicycle crunches. Key tips and tricks. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Bicycle crunches are an excellent exercise for targeting multiple muscle groups in your core simultaneously. Here's how to perform them correctly to maximize effectiveness and minimize injury risk. Starting position. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head, elbows pointing outwards. Lifting off. Lift your legs off the ground and bend them at a 90-degree angle, keeping your knees directly above your hips. Crunching motion. As you bring your right knee towards your chest, twist your torso to bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Simultaneously straighten your left leg, keeping it elevated off the ground. Alternate sides. Repeat the motion, alternating sides in a fluid, bicycle pedaling motion. Ensure your movements are controlled and your core remains engaged throughout. Breathing. Exhale as you crunch and twist, inhaling as you return to the starting position. Key tips. Focus on quality over quantity. Perform each rep with proper form. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor to avoid strain. Engage your core muscles throughout the exercise for maximum effectiveness. Incorporate bicycle crunches into your core workout routine to strengthen your abs, obliques, and improve overall core stability. Remember, consistency and correct form are key to seeing results. Keep pushing yourself and enjoy the benefits of a stronger, more defined core.